almost always done without any anesthesia. Mutilating the beak prevents birds from their natural responses to stress, such as plucking out their own feathers. And this is an upside for the egg industry because the less damaged their body is, the more valuable they'll be to send off to slaughter when their egg production declines. And as today's egg-laying hens rapidly lose nutrients and calcium to constantly produce eggs, they have a natural tendency to consume their own eggs as an attempt to replenish that nutrients. And of course, mutilating the beak also prevents this behavior, which is another upside for the industry, because those eggs are for sale. In order to meet the global demand for eggs, hundreds of millions of chickens are bred into existence. But about half are born male. And since male chickens, or roosters, do not lay eggs, and egg-laying breeds do not grow fast or large enough for economically ideal meat production, they are simply discarded.
Replenish. Replenish. Replenish.